Welcome to the first video in our series on understanding the YOLOv5 algorithm from input to output. While there are numerous tutorials on running the YOLOv5 algorithm, few delve into the intricate steps needed to transform an input image into an annotated output image with bounding box, class label, and predicted confidence. My journey with this project stemmed from a desire to grasp the inner workings of YOLOv5, to move beyond surface level understanding and truly comprehend its mechanisms step by step. There is a unique satisfaction in unraveling complex algorithms. One of my motivations for embarking on this project was to freeze the knowledge gained. Often we learn something, but with time, details fade. By creating this series of videos, not only can I refresh my own understanding, but it can also serve as a resource for others seeking clarity on YOLOv5. Making recordings like this isn't just about documenting the process, it's a way to crystallize knowledge and ensure it endures. I found that explaining a concept in a video forces you to think deeply about the details you want to convey, making the learning experience much richer. Before we dive in, ensure you have the YOLOv5 code downloaded, installed, and ready to run in your IDE, preferable VS Code. I won't cover the installation of VS Code as there are ample tutorials available online. Throughout our exploration of the code, we will encounter various functions within the YOLOv5 package. When we step into these functions during execution, we'll move at a pace that suits the complexity. Some steps or some functions may require a quicker glance, while others warrant a more in-depth explanation for a better grasp of the underlying concepts. So let's begin this journey of understanding YOLOv5 together, step by step.